this period of time, now known as Industrial Revolution, industrial properties plays a vital role in shaping the way our global economic property works today. Industrial property is so important to the framework of our society, it becomes some of the most valuable properties that we can own today. So, what is industrial property? Industrial property can be broadly defined as all land and buildings which accommodate industrial activities such as production, manufacturing, assembly, warehousing, storage, as well as research. Today, I'm going to talk about the 6 types of industrial properties in Malaysia. First stop is the heavy manufacturing facilities. These buildings are usually large in size and are used by companies that manufacture cement, steel, as well as automobiles. These facilities usually have large storehouses for keeping raw materials as well as finished goods. There are huge blast furnaces, high-capacity exhaust system, storage tanks, and cranes in this type of industrial property setup. Heavy manufacturing buildings usually require a complete top-to-bottom industrial renovation when there is a change in tenant due to permanent fixtures attached to it. Next, warehouses. Warehouses are buildings that are used for storing goods on behalf of another company. They usually have more than one story and have loading bays, plus huge car parks for big trucks. E-commerce has accelerated the transformation of industrial real estate into warehouse and e-fulfillment centers. These warehouse and e-fulfillment centers have played an important role in logistics. Some of the known e-commerce players in the field are Shopee and Lazada. They are constantly up for grabs for warehouses and offices in the field to expand their fulfillment center. The third type of industrial properties in Malaysia are light industrial factories. The light industrial sector consists of assembling of parts, repackaging of raw materials into finished goods, mostly produced for end users. They are produced in a smaller size compared to heavy industrial products. Light industrial facilities typically have lesser environmental impact compared to heavy industrial sector. Nonetheless, there are also telecommunication or data hosting centers used in an industrial property. These facilities usually have large servers and computers, which consist of specialized industrial setup, whereby there are huge power lines in powering up computers. This kind of industrial property are usually located in proximity to large communication trunk lines, whereby there are huge power supply. Another type of industrial property are factories that provide cold storage facilities. Some food manufacturers uses industrial real estate as temperature-controlled facilities such as cold storage in distribution of food and beverages. The central kitchen concept has been booming lately due to economies of scale in the food business. Players such as SK Cold Chain Solution, HTH Corporation, Tiong-Nam Logistics, as well as Tasco Berhad have their industrial real estate for cold storage purposes. Last but not least, there is also a presence of research and development industrial property in Malaysia. The pandemic has accelerated the trend of life sciences. Many investors see this as an opportunity in transforming their industrial real estate into medical use laboratories for healthcare purposes. For example, the research and development companies in Malaysia are DKSH, Zulik Pharma, as well as Pharma Niaga Logistics. Well, I guess these are the 6 types of industrial properties in Malaysia. Let me know in the comment section below if I've left out any. Check out Industrial Malaysia. It is an industrial property site that consists hundreds of listings for tenants and buyers. The link to Industrial Malaysia page is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more industrial updates. Bye!